Lotus blossom don't cry without any sun. Lotus blossom
It's
don't
just
cry.
an early morning bacon. Catch me celebrating, cleaning my mental like a rental, watching how life is changing. My niggas have a lot of patience, so every night I'll be praying. Time ticks away, and it's okay when you got a little trees to drink to delay the pain. I'ma feel the same, but grow with age and never touch the cane. Stay away from rage, hope you do the same. Stay true through your days, always cool in the way. Smoke a dude to the face and tell me how you feel. I wanna know the deal, cause real ass people sit and wonder if it is only them. So wait a minute, sing if you're gifted. Pop, lock and drop it if you cannot stop it. Live it up and don't regret anything that you have did, cause everything happens for a fucking reason. And life wouldn't be life if you could pause, stop or freeze it. Gotta find a better way, I'm taking over with my legion. Too smart for my own good, some would say I'm cheating. If repetition is the key, then that extra pair I'll be needing. I'm barely breathing, ambition's gonna keep my heart beating. Fill the cracks that's filled with demons, double check so there's no leaking. Something happened over this weekend, and now I guess I'm gonna close my eyes and jump in the deep end. Have faith in what I do and what I believe in, nigga.